Parent material is the initial state of the soil system and permits the choice of either rock, weathered rock, or organic materials as the starting point for a given soil development series. Rock is a bound, aggregate of minerals, mineraloids, or fragments of other rocks. Weathering is the breaking down of rocks, soil, and minerals through contact with water, the Earth's atmosphere. The animal and plant life of a particular region, habitat, or geological period. Two important classifications of weathering processes are physical and chemical weathering. Weathered rock materials could be transported by river or stream channel and deposited at the bottom of a basin or lake. These are called lacustrine deposits. Weathered materials carried by rivers, streams, and eventually deposited on land when the water flow loses its velocity, resulting in the accumulation of sediments. These are called alluvial deposits and are usually most extensive in the lower part of a river's course, forming floodplains and deltas, but they may form at any point where the river overflows its banks or where the flow of a river is checked. Marine deposits refers to all the materials that are being deposited on the bottom of the sea or ocean by water. Colluvial deposits are loose, unconsolidated sediments that have been deposited at the base of hillslopes through the action of gravity or by either overland flow, slow continuous downslope creep, or a variable combination of these processes. Till is an unsorted material, deposited directly by glacial ice, and showing no stratification. Outwash deposits are glaciofluvial deposits of sand and gravel that are carried by running water from the melting ice of a glacier and laid down in stratified deposits. Aeolian deposits are deposits that form as a result of the accumulation of wind-driven products of the weathering of solid bedrock, or unconsolidated alluvial, lacustrine, marine, or other deposits. They are found primarily in arid regions such as deserts, but they also occur in other natural zones. Soil is the collection of natural bodies occupying parts of the Earth's surface that support plants and that have properties due to integrated effect of climate and living matter acting upon the parent material, as conditioned by topography, over periods of time. Soil formation or pedogenesis is the process of evolution of soil under the influence of various physical, biological, climatic, and geological factors. Soil formation occurs via a series of changes to the parent material, all of which lead to the formation of layers of soil, also called soil horizons. These layers can then be separated on the basis of the composition and other physical properties. First layer in the soil formation process is the layer, which consists of bedrock. The next layer that forms is called the sea horizon. This layer consists of unconsolidated weathered rock materials. Vegetation helps to hold weathered parent material in place, allowing time for soil formation to occur. Plant roots growing in cracks and fissures break apart rocks, speeding up soil formation. Similarly, lichen on rock surfaces increases weathering. Plants produce weathering agents that increase rates of chemical weathering of soil minerals by releasing acidic components, such as organic acids and carbon dioxide. The result is faster breakdown of the minerals and release of nutrients required by the plants and other biota. Vegetation is the initial source of the carbon fixed by photosynthesis that becomes organic matter in the soil. Plants that fix atmospheric nitrogen in symbiotic association with rhizobacteria are an important means by which nitrogen is added to the soil system. The next layer is called the A horizon. This is composed of minerals mixed with humus. It usually darkened due to the presence of organic materials. As soil weathering progresses, the next layer that forms is the B horizon. This is a zone of accumulation of silicate clays, iron, and aluminum oxides. It is usually yellowish-red in color, depending on drainage condition.
To get more of our inspirational and educational videos, it is time to like and subscribe to Debbie County Animation Studios on YouTube. And you will be glad you did.